Online course creation explained step by step. Don't forget to follow or subscribe. Online course creation step 15, the course creation wrap up. So I briefly want to go through what we've covered. Essentially, there are 4 key stages: planning your course, producing your course, publishing your course, and promoting your course. But I want you to focus beyond your first course. And that's, if you like, the 5th stage. Maybe it's portfolio or maybe it's platforms, but where else can you sell your course? How else can you take this valuable content and earn even more money through different channels? I want you to think as well about a product pyramid. And what I mean by this is that you have a series of products. Some are low priced at the bottom, but at the top of the pyramid, you have a small, very highly exclusive product, which is very expensive. And you have different products on the way up to the top. And the more of your time that these products require, so if it's coaching and consulting, then they should be at the very most expensive, because you are giving out your most invaluable commodity, which is your time. Think about your pricing strategies and the different levels you have. So it might be $9, $99, $499, and $1,000. Whatever it is, you do need to have a logical progression in your pricing strategy, matching your product pyramid. And of course, if you do go and do anything that requires your own personal time, coaching and consulting, that, as I've said, it's the most expensive product or service you can offer, and it should be priced accordingly. So that's the course wrap up, and it's the last module in this online course creation step-by-step process that I've taken you through, and I hope you found it really helpful. So online course creation explained step by step. In these 15 steps, I've tried to give you a structured framework and an insight into some of the detail of creating an online course, and how that can then become the foundation for an online business for you. And that, I hope, can make a real change and a real impact on your life for the better. And maybe it can bring you success in other areas. It can free up, it can clear you of debt, whatever it is. I really hope it's going to be beneficial to you.